In this guide we will take you through setting up the third relay on a distributed controller, also referred to as the iTRT2. This can be used to trigger alarms or buzzers when a special event is triggered on site. In this scenario we are going to trigger a buzzer connected to Relay 3 for a suspended credential holder attempting to access the site. Navigate to the Setup menu. Select the Reader Profile sub-menu. Create a new reader profile by selecting the plus icon. Name your new profile. Under the Copy of selection, select Default Reader, then select the Save option in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Once the profile has saved, select the Actions tab. Add a new action. Provide a name for the new action. Under the Link To tab, we are going to link this event to the denied tag suspension event. Select the type line, use the search function to bring up the relay actions and select Relay Action 2. Under the Relay Activation Deactivation heading, deselect Relay 1 and select Relay 2, use the Save option in the top right-hand corner. Once the profile has been created you will need to assign your relevant readers to this profile. Select the Setup menu, then the Reader sub-menu. Select the appropriate reader. Select the Profile option and choose your new reader profile. Use the tick icon to save these changes. When the event is triggered, you will see the Relay 3 LED light up on your iTRT2 board corresponding to the denied event in your transaction viewer. When linked to a buzzer on site, this will notify personnel of an attempted security breach. This guide covered setting up a third relay on the iTRT2 distributed controller on Access Portal.